It just looks so good. I love it. What a great idea this whole selfie station was. If she only knew. Yeah, you know, that's me, and that was 5 years ago. Can you believe? I know. And it's no secret, you guys know a lot has changed since then. Got my dream house, got my dream life, got everything I ever wanted, and I all owe it to this video. 5 years ago, I stuck fake marble tiles to my apartment floors, and today, I am putting real marble floors in my dream house. Throw on your construction hats, ladies. We are getting down and dirty, but for real this time. What's up, angels? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. I am so stinking excited because today is the reveal of my real marble floors. You guys can't see them, but I am actually standing on the floors right now. Oh. Man, I really should have Windexed this mirror for this video. That's embarrassing, but okay. Anyways, I'm not gonna show you yet because that would be a very boring video. And as with all things, I have to show you the full entire journey because that's what just makes everything so magical in life. Smiley was right, it's the climb. Oh man, it's still so chaotic in here, but behind these doors, you may remember what it looked like before. So here's a quick before. So like I showed you in the original home tour before I started, it was like this limestone kind of tile, which is actually really beautiful. I'm gonna keep it in the rest of the house, but in here, you know, I just didn't feel like it vibed, and I wanted to do something different, just like, you know, just like I had said in my original video. I was like, you know what, this just doesn't look as luxurious as it should, so I'm gonna do something else, and I thought marble flooring would do the trick. And guess what? I was right. So, of course, I asked you guys on Instagram. Good morning, you guys. So obviously construction is literally crazy in here right now, but I actually cannot decide what floors I want to put in my little elevator room. What do you guys think? After a quite heated debate, eventually you guys did say that I should do all white, but it was super close. At the end of the day, though, I couldn't help but think, you know, I have to go with all white to complete the matrix, you know. So yeah, the flooring used to be this. It's like a really pretty, actually like French limestone kind of thing. You can see very aesthetic, but you know, I just wanted to spice it up a little bit. Speaking of spice, just in time for the end of summer, we had the anklet just launched on 333. It is designed exactly after my real tennis diamond bracelet. So you can see it looks just like the real thing. No one would ever know. It even is designed with double snap clasps like real high-end jewelry. So that'll stay on good and fabulous. And also, I am so excited for this. You guys know I am the queen of making cheap things look expensive. So this is the emerald ring. You can see a normal fake emerald on the top, and then you can see the special 333 emerald. It looks, again, identical to the real thing. Those are all available on 333nco.com. Again, this is my business 100%. I own the whole entire thing. It is me signing all the cards. It is me packing and shipping it all. So every penny goes to making the Sky Castle dreams a reality. Business bitch PhD. And that means, as with all things, my favorite thing, the shop. All right, so instead of shopping for fake marble tiles like I did many moons ago, instead we hopped over to the real deal, the marble yards. All right, here we are. This is literally always such a weird experience, but they did Kim Kardashian's house, so. Whoa, look at this, guys. This is insane. Oh, there's just marble like flying around. This is crazy. Wow, this is just insane. Look at all of this. I mean, they have actually everything. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Did I name this? I'm dying. Like this, I don't like this because this is very like gray based, and so you can see kind of like that's really gray. This is a little warmer with the white, but it's still hard to see. This is really warm and creamy. In fact, I literally feel like they have too much. Starting to stress me out. What if I just did this? Just for shits and giggles. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is insane. What do you think, guys? There's so many choices. Whoa, look at this, guys. This is insane. Hello, marble. Woo! So there's actually so many. And I know I've said this plenty of times, but I am so confused. There's so many choices. Oh no, I have been here for 3 hours already, by the way. I am having a great time, not gonna lie, but oh boy. Who knew there were so many different kinds of white marble? I probably took pictures of my feet testing different floors, probably 700 million different kinds. I'm not kidding, my camera roll is literally full of random pictures like this. There's so many kinds, it's actually unbelievable. It was just unbelievable. Oh my gosh, like look at this. There's just 100 bajillion different kinds. I could just go balls to the walls and do something wild, but I'm actually kind of into this one. This is awfully pretty. Very classic. I like that. It's coming! This is so wild, you guys. Ooh, it's beautiful. Oh my god, look at how gorgeous it is. Oh! Is that it, guys? So after looking at 700 million slabs, I just fell in love with this one. I thought it was just the most beautiful slab I'd ever seen. It's kind of hard to see in the pictures, but it is like a gorgeous creamy white. Oh wow, yeah, I had a whole photo shoot with it. You ever seen a bitch this happy to be with a piece of rock? Well, me either. The kind of marble that I eventually ended up picking is called Calcutta Caldea. You can see it's like a very fine, soft lines, and it's hard to even see, but these are more like golden than like a harsh black. So I just thought, this was gorgeous. And you know what's even crazier is this marble is the exact kind of marble that I bought on the tiles all those years ago. I just didn't even know. So when I looked back on the photo and realized that, I was like, yep, right choice. So after I officially picked the marble, it was time to demo the floors. So it actually was crazy. It kind of looked like this for a minute, and then it looked like this. There was many varying forms of this, but then we had to soundproof it.
So what we need to listen out for, guys, is when we're downstairs, if we can hear the noise come through the shaft. Okay.
Ooh.
These are all the frequencies this way, and that's the level that way.
Fancy. All right. Okay, guys, so basically this is the sound machine. You can see this is where the floor is gonna go. So they have built a fake floor with tile and a sound machine on it. So this actually literally like bounces on the floor. Like it physically like stomps kind of.
Yeah, it hammers.
Wow. Look at this.
If I get the camera, see these hammers here?
Yeah. So those are the things making the jackhammer noise. Plug this in. We got some fashion. We got Louis Vuitton on the toilet. We are going. It is serving. We got that all plugged in. Woohoo! Guys, we passed the sound inspection. Yay! Time to get started. You don't actually need a hammer. I just wanted to look official. Time to install them. Again, I'm going to use something I don't need, a paintbrush. But here's what happened. These are my favorite kind of videos to make, can you tell? Just dreams coming true. I freaking love it. All right, guys, some of the marble has arrived. Look at this, it's all cut. These are going to be the border pieces. So we got to clean up. I won't get your face, don't worry. I'm cleaning up the floors, which you can see have arrived safe and sound. They actually got cut off in the factory into like a border. Basically, they're cut like a puzzle, so you can see it's all ready to be put in.
I look horrible, as always.
Look how beautiful! Oh my god, it's gonna be amazing. Wow! So this is how they pick it up with these like suction cup things, and in it goes. This was a whole process. They like really put it together, like very intricate, exactly measured. So they really did a lot of math in here. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at it! It's so pretty! Oh my god. I mean, you know, just wait. I'll do my outfits of the days in here, and hopefully it'll be a little better than this. I loved watching this. It was like very exciting to me. Ooh, this is fun. Ooh, that was fun. How much? A lot?
Just put it. There you go.
Guys, I'm so good at this. Yay! So now it's free because I did it, right?
Yeah, it's a discount.
I get the discount for doing it on DIY marble floors, guys! I actually cried here. And that was all of that. And now, behind these still unwindexed doors are my real marble floors. I'm having too much fun with this. Okay. All right. Da-na-na-na-na. Drum. Oh, actually, it's so much more fun to do it from the elevator. Hold on. Da-na-na-na-na. Drum roll, please. Oh no, the elevator's gonna close on me. Fuck. Da-na-na-na. Drum roll, please. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Are you ready? It's gorgeous. You can see it a little better from this angle, but wow. Look at this. This is in my house. Oh my god. I really wish they put the baseboards in because it still looks kind of crazy, but this literally looks like a luxury hotel. Ah! Hell yeah, that is luxury. This is literally the best thing that's ever happened to me, actually. Ow! I'm so old. It's actually everything I ever dreamed it would be. I love you, floor. The pictures I'm going to be able to take of my shoes? Oh!
Oh, I mean, if this isn't the epitome of what if it doesn't come true, but what if it does, I just... Wow.
I'm so happy. Like I said, there's still obviously tons to be done in here, but at least I got this. There you go. I just want to say, you know, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for everything. This would not have been possible without you, quite literally. So thanks for dreaming with me, truly. Just goes to show, you really can have everything you ever wanted. I love you. Kisses till next time. XO. Oh, I can't move my hand. XO. I'm probably gonna lay here for the next few hours. Doesn't this just make you feel like luxuriating around your mansion? Ah, you know, I gotta say, it most certainly does.